I joined in SR Junior College for my intermediate studies. After completing my 2 years of intermediate, with government I passed in first class, and after that I got 5 digits of subject rank, and by luck I got an mechanical engineering seat in Singapore. I am enjoying it today. It's very nice, and I would like to thank each and everyone who have supported Maharshi. This is the main reason who is very interested in supporting this program. And now it gives me immense pleasure to thank each and every teacher who are the reason and who have sculptured or designed our future in their beautiful structure. Thank you each and every teacher. Because of you, I am standing in front of you as an engineering student and forthcoming engineer to the society. Thank you teachers. Coming to mimicry, I have done in 10th class and I don't know I remember it or not. I will try once again. Let me tell you a joke first. Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood film की different है. Excuse me, no one is listening to me. హాలీవుడ్ బాలీవుడ్ టాలీవుడ్ ఫిలింలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చెప్తాను. ఫస్ట్ హాలీవుడ్ క్లైమాక్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, పిక్చర్స్లో హాలీవుడ్ క్లైమాక్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ హీరో విలన్ హీరో దొరికిపోతాడు. అప్పుడు వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య